We have a list of names and their contacts. And we want to set up a direct chat from the sheet instead of copying the number out, saving it on the phone, and then later to chat them up. What we are going to do now is we are going to incorporate WhatsApp into our sheet such that if I want to chat any of these names, I can easily use the chat button here. In this cell, I'm going to enter my function. I'll be using hyperlink function. Then I'm going to type in the link https://w, hey, me this, my ampersand. Then my contact, comma, then name. Close this and press enter. So what I'm going to do is just to double click this. If I want to chat all you might now, what I need to do is just click here, and it takes me to where I can successfully chat. What I need to do is just to open the app or continue with the web version. This is a pop-up that will also open the app. So, this is how to chat clients, staff, right from your Excel database via WhatsApp.